welcome back to another Whatever Wednesday. Today I made these beautiful, delicious, crispy onion rings. And when I mean made, I actually mean slaved over because I've been working on this for 2 whole hours. You should see my kitchen right now. Actually, I'll insert a picture. I tested out this new recipe for making these and long story short, it did not go well. To be honest, I don't really know how to fry anything, so these are oven baked, but to get them to like crisp up, I sprayed them with cooking oil. I'd show you guys a recipe, but like I just told you guys, it was a struggle. So maybe if I perfect one, I will post it on my channel. You should just buy onion rings from the store. Is the moral of that story. And on the side here, I have 2 dipping sauces. This one in front is Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. It seriously is like crack cocaine barbecue sauce. It is so good. I got it from Trader Joe's. You guys should all try it out. And back here, this is some sriracha mayo type dip, which is also really good. I made this just now in my blender. And on the side, I have some fish fillets, which I am absolutely obsessed with. These are like my favorite mock meat ever. This is what the bag looks like. I got them on, they go on sale every once in a while, and then you can also get a $1 off coupon for them. But they are my absolute favorite. They are so good. Okay, let's dig in. This was a lot of work, but it was worth it because look how beautiful it looks. I love onion rings. I'm drinking this Trader Joe's seltzer with a splash of crayon. Look how beautiful. Okay, let's dig in. So well, the reason why the first recipe I made failed is because I forgot to put the breading on them. Like I just dipped them in the batter and then baked them, and they were like, it was like a pancake covering an onion. It was really bad. So that's like the basis of the struggle. Oh, look how good it looks. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. I think it was worth it. Two-hour-long labor of love. Mmm. Mm. Let's try this Carolina Gold. Mmm. So good. It reminds me of McDonald's and Burger King. This one is like a different color than the rest. Mmm. Oh my god. So I'm filming this a week in advance because I'm about to go on vacation. So I don't really know what to talk about that would be relevant like a week from now. We just pre-filmed all the videos that you guys are about to watch. We're like a month ahead right now. So we have to talk about like really like generic stuff. Hopefully you guys don't mind that. But I'm sure nobody cares about this except myself. Dance Moms Season 8 is about to come out and I'm so excited. I need to figure out how I can watch that. Me and Colin have been super into Shark Tank. We watch it every single night. So I watched a bunch of recipe tutorials on how to make these. I made them before. I don't remember it being such a struggle. I don't know what I was doing wrong. Everybody made it look so easy. Excuse me. When I was little, I used to be obsessed with the bloomin' onion Outback. Tried to make one before, maybe like a couple months ago. It was like 50 times harder than making these onion rings. Like, I looked it up, you can buy a bloomin' onion like machine, like a bloomin' onion cutter, and then you're supposed to fry them. So I think that'd be a worthy investment. Colin, what are some other shows we watch?
I mean, I watch A Few Without You.
What are those?
Barry. I'm watching the Chernobyl series. What's that?
It's like spicy mayo, sriracha mayo. But it needs more sriracha, for sure.
No more?
Spicy mayo or sriracha?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and can you give me a fork too? So I tried to convince Colin to mukbang with me for this video. He said, hard pass.
Okay.
Oh my god. Come on, I'm running out of ideas, man. He said no, but he's gonna steal all my food. I'm just kidding, there's no way I can eat all these onion rings. This is literally like 3 or 4 onions. Oh, I'm getting full already. What? I just
Worst mukbanger.
Okay, since this took 2 hours, I ate the first batch.
Thanks,
I don't know
where the sriracha is. Oh, it's out.
Yeah.
Like everything else.
Let's try this fish fillet. Oh, my favorite. Mm.
fully ship house.
How do they get that fishy flavor? Mmm.
That's so good.
Another show, about 10 minutes later, that we watched from beginning to end is Barry. A new season just came out. Oh my god, is this for me? Because you saw me look at my fingers? Oh my god, you're so nice.
You never watched Barry.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. And then Colin started watching the new season without me.
You watched the whole first season with me?
Yeah, man.
I didn't remember that. I thought I watched it by myself. That's why I watched it again by myself.
Colin loves to watch shows by himself. And exclude me.
I'll watch it with you.
Thanks, man. Oh my god, Ozark. Literally the best show in the entire world. Maybe second to any show on HGTV. House Hunters. You know, when I'm with Brittany, she always stops me from eating before we're about to film. Like, I'll pick up something to eat beforehand, and she'll, like, swat it out of my hands. When I'm by myself, I just can't control myself. I'm trying to look for, like, the perfect onion ring. Oh, it's a pretty good one. I literally make myself laugh. Okay, when you're filming mukbang, you need to be quiet. You can't bang around the dishes. I'm sorry, was that mean? Okay, I'm just a little cranky. This is how you dip. Can you just do one mukbang on camera? Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so full. I ate an entire batch of onion rings before we filmed this. I ate all the ones that I forgot to put the breading on. I just ate those ones because I was starving. I know, I need a babysitter. Dude, can you provide us with one topic today, man?
I literally can't think of one.
Me either. There's nothing that... Oh my god, I thought of one. I was going to say there's nothing that goes on in our lives, but something... Nobody's probably going to think this is cool, but... Yesterday, here I am minding my own business, watching a YouTube video on this here couch, and there's two windows right here, and I see like a big fluffy tail at the corner of my eye, like sprint by the window, and we have like a lot of feral cats in the neighborhood, so I thought it might be a feral cat, so I went over to the other window to look at it, and it was a mother freaking coyote. Middle of LA, broad daylight. I guess it's not the middle of LA.
I was hoping you got it on camera.
Yeah, For whatever reason, my instinct was not to like bust out my camera. My instinct was to like hide from the coyote. I was like, oh no, he's gonna see me. Well, no, and I like went to go look for Bert because I was afraid if Bert saw him, he would freak out. Because whenever Bert sees the cats in the neighborhood, he like freaks out. It's really interesting that the most like interesting thing I have to talk about on the mukbang channel is just my cat. I feel like always comes up. Let's have another filet. Usually I can down like 2 of these. I don't know what is wrong with me. And by 2 of these, I mean 2 packages. I really should have whipped up some tartar sauce. So now in our neighborhood, we have a coyote, a skunk, which I see all the time. He is so cute. It is the cutest neighborhood skunk. We see him all the time, like running in front of our yard, and his tail is just like, poof, 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 poof. And he scurries across the yard, and then he like hides in the bushes, and then he scurries across the next yard. He's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. We also have a possum, a raccoon, which is scary. He's a scary raccoon, and he leaves paw prints like all over our fence, so I think he comes back here. And 1 million cats. It is a zoo. Oh, we also have bats. There's also like, when you open the door at night, there's literally like a swarm of bats over our house. I don't think we live in LA. We live in like the wilderness, it seems like. Oh my god, also, well, this is a little too late for this, but I meant to talk about, like, TV shows I watch, obviously. I was gonna say, and I forgot to say this earlier, so me and Colin watched 1 episode of Handmaid's Tale, and we both, like, were not fans. Everybody was saying that they were obsessed with it and, like, telling us to watch it. Even in the mukbang comments, like, probably, like, a year ago, everybody was, like, obsessed with it, or whenever it came out. And me and Colin watched 1 episode, and we, like, did not like it at all. So that's one show I just could not get behind. Anyways, that's my show review and coyote storytime mukbang. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this onion ring mukbang. I'm so sorry I could not eat more. Make sure you subscribe if you are new here. Give this video a big thumbs up for crunchy mukbangs, and go check out our merch at shop.spreadshirt.com/mukbangmonday. I'll be on vacation right now in Massachusetts. Let me know some good vegan restaurants in Massachusetts I should go check out. I asked you guys before and you gave me some good ones, but if you have any more, let me know in the comments down below. Whatever Wednesday, out.